Oh my gosh, you guys, I have 14 videos in 14 days for you. That's right. Hang in there with me while I set the camera down. So I have 14 videos that I am going to post over 14 days starting tomorrow. Now these are videos that are the top performing videos from the past, but all of them have handouts with them. So if you are an information access level channel member or one of the patrons at the Happy Dance level or higher, you're going to get these in the normal community tab as you normally would with the handouts, all 14 of them. And so if you are not a channel member or you are not a patron and you want to get those handouts, now's the time, because I'm going to be posting one every day for 14 days. Now, why am I doing this, you ask? Well, after 4.5 years of doing this, I really have never taken a break. So I'm going to try and take some time off. We'll see how that goes, because you know I'm a workaholic. So we're going to see if I can take some time off during the holidays. And so these 14 days of videos will hopefully keep you entertained and educated about your family history research while I am at least going to take a few days off. And so I'm also preparing for 2023. So I'm trying to get a jump start on that as well. So what you see on the screen here are some of the videos that we're going to be posting over the next 14 days. They're already scheduled. They start tomorrow. So make sure that you are subscribed at least, because if you hit that subscribe button, you should be getting notification, especially if you hit the bell icon. You'll get notification of when each of these videos are being released. And if you are a channel member, of course, you'll get also a link in the membership tab. Just go to the membership tab. You'll get a link to the handouts that are associated with each one of those videos. You can just binge watch your little heart out. And for those at patreon.com/Genealogy TV, those will come to you in an email, and the handout will be an attachment. So those are the Happy Dance level and higher folks. So gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to kind of take a couple days off. I'm feeling a little guilty about it, but you know, I guess I do need to take some time off. And so with that, I wish you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you in 2023.